If I told you that you could build your entire chest with just 2 dumbbell exercises, no cables, no machines, you'd probably think I'm oversimplifying. But I'm not, because when you truly understand how your chest works, you realize you don't need 10 fancy moves, just 2 done right. Most people waste hours switching from bench to cables to machines, chasing that perfect pump. But here's the problem. Every wrong angle, every bad grip, and every overused machine pulls your chest away from growth. The truth is, without the right setup, even your best bench press can quietly destroy your shoulder alignment. Start with your heavy dumbbells and set your bench to exactly 30 degrees. Too high, and you'll shift the load to your shoulders. With dumbbells, you can naturally rotate your wrists outward, tuck your elbows slightly, and feel your chest taking full control. Unlike a barbell, dumbbells let your arms move freely, giving your chest true adduction and deeper activation. That's what separates good form from real growth. If the traditional incline press still feels uncomfortable, here's your fix: the close grip neutral squeeze press. Press the dumbbells together as you lift. This activates your chest from the very start and removes shoulder strain completely. Even though your triceps assist, the continuous squeeze creates isometric tension through your chest, that deep burn you've been missing. Now grab your lighter dumbbells, because this next move hits differently. The Dumbbell Floor Fly removes shoulder risk while maximizing stretch and control. The floor supports your arms, giving you eccentric overload safely. Perfect for sculpting the chest without injury. And here's the best part. Go to failure, then immediately drop into that squeeze press again. This drop set transition keeps your chest under tension, forcing growth beyond fatigue. You can even combine them into one brutal superset. Start heavy on the incline press for 8 to 10 reps. Switch instantly to your lighter dumbbells. Squeeze press to failure, then finish with floor flies. That's your ultimate chest builder. No machines, no nonsense. 2 exercises, maximum chest growth, minimal risk. Now go hit that workout and watch your chest transform, starting today. If you want more science-backed routines like this, tap subscribe and join the FitFlix Move family. Let's build strength the smart way.